with part 2. Keep on going down the line. Got Creeps, Hound Dog, Falcon Rising, Golden Peacock, Daffodil, Best in the Field, Poppycock, Firefly Frenzy, Hemp Parade. That's actually a really good cake, and that's actually a really good price on that, guys. Glitter Bomb by Great Grizzly, $39.99. American Power, $29.99. Minions on Crack is Loud. That's $40. Munchies, $29.99, guys. 6-pack canister shells. Buy them. Victory Celebration, $24.99. LA Women, $14.99. Marvel, $15. Luck of the Irish, $23.99. Penguin is $10.99. Got your ladybugs down here at $5.99, guys. Ripper, Rage, Evil Enemy, Mr. Rex, T-Rex, Yogi, super loud, guys, $25. Rainbow Bright says New Crazy Effects. Best Buds. Everybody that's my age probably knows who those guys are. Trumptastic Maddox, guys, $44.99. It's a nice little spread out fan cake. It's not bad. Roswell, Zoinks, 7-inch shells with rising brakes. Never heard of that, but Maddox puts them out, guys. Thunder Bay and Nanotech. Kind of go down, or on this table here, I guess. Next we'll go Blunt Force, Cottonmouth, Nice Grass, Optimus, $350, guys. And you get 3 500-gram cakes in this Dominator box here, guys. Go down this way, you got Strawberry Diesel, Patriotic Bear, gotta kind of walk a little faster. Pretty Pebbles, it's a nice unwrapped one, guys. $110 on that. Split decision, $250. Got your Radioactive Rockets, it's $24 on those. Night Wolf, $29.99. Killer is $14.99. Boogeyman, $19.99, guys. Got your little cheers for some bottles there, little fountain, $4.99. Smoking Alien, 49 shots, $120. Daytime Smoke. Weed the People, $39.99, guys. Kamikaze, $40. You got your Dark Magic, it's $100. Psycho Girlfriend is $24.99. And Dominator is $19.99. Got your unwrapped, $110 on that again, guys. You got your Crypt Keepers, $40. Keep on Rolling, $19.99. Some Artilleries, you know what those are. Those are $35.99. Gobstopper, 58 shots, $100. Super loud, guys. Got your Cherry Pies, $25. Come back here, we got Red Hot Deal by Brothers, $59. Shotgun, $59.99. Jackpot Assorted Shells, guys, $34.99 by Legend Fireworks. Spook House Sky Painter, $52.99. Outbreak is $80. Zombie Gunslinger is $49. Mario, $85, guys. Menace to Society is $250. Rainbow Crush is $59.99. It says it's super colorful. Black Pyro Local again. You got Rock Out, $14.99. Pulse Pounder, $24.99. Minor Infraction is $19.99. I like the bigger version myself a little better, but that's a good price on that. Night Wolf is $29.99. That Last Wave. Zeus, $29.99. Hit the Road Jack, $49.99. Got your Blueberry and Lucky Charms, $250 a show in a box, guys. Got some 10 ball Roman candles, $3.99 for the pack. You got Double Horror. You got your yellows unwrapped, guys, by 110 again. Atom, Hydrogen, Neutron, All your Cobalt bombs, all your bombs, $54.99. Saturday night special is $49.99. Daisy Dukes is $185. Look at that. Crime Scene, $49.99. That's got your blood money, your crime scene, your inside job. Those are all $49.99. Raccoon City's $50. Candyland, $60. Jose Can't See Shit, $60. Husker Don'ts, $34.99. You got your Web Slinger, 100 shots is $165. Ben Franklin, $64.99. You got some. Got your mix to the max. Got some looks like 4 cakes in there for $64.99. Stress reliever, 110 shots, $99.99. Neo's $3.50. Got your hardtack fountain. Has some bangers at the ends, $30. That's definitely a good one, guys. I'd recommend it. Bozos, $35. I'm gonna stop here and continue with my part 3 coming up.